booklet.
Oh.
Where's the gloves? You guys saw it too.
Oh, yeah.
Yes, you did, Aaron.
Everyone's popping in now.
Brandon, what just happened? Okay. Oh, we're
Gonna do
not.
bottom first.
Oh, we're saving that bad boy. We are saving that bad boy. Some of you guys probably already know what that bad boy is. Saving it. Okay. All right. Good luck to all. Bobby Witt on the base gem diamond. 3 out of 10. Ooh. That's nice. That is oh so nice. With the All-Star jersey nonetheless as well. Mr. Ricky Bobby. This is my second diamond icon I've ripped, and I've pulled a Ricky Bobby twice. Twice. That's very nice.
There you go, Space City.
Is that Space City?
It's Space City.
Love it, Space City. Congrats
Oh,
to
no,
you.
it's not. No, it's not. I'm sorry. Look at the wrong team. It's Kevin's. Kevin Z.
Ooh, Kev. Kev, are you here? Kevin only comes to, he only gets in these breaks for me, he said.
Ah, and here you are.
Huh, Kevin? And he, true.
This is a nice one. This is nice.
Not doing that one next. That one we're saving. That one we are saving. Okay, because that's a redemption for you guys, by the way. I'm trying to save. I want to save that booklet.
I'll just pick it up, put it aside.
Oh, it already has. Oh, good. Oh, wait, no. Give me. All right, we're good now.
All right, set it up. Set it up.
All right. All right. We are good now. There's too many. That's the thing is there's just so much good stuff right now that all I have to do, I'm just trying to hide everything. Hello, Landon. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Evan Longoria, 21 and 25 on the D-backs and Giants. That's Ryan and Hunter. Ryan, Hunter, are you both here? There are a couple different options we can do with this card. Gosh, that's nice. Freaking goodness. 21-25. Dual patch Evan Longoria as a Giant and a D-back.
That's sexy.
That is so nice. Ryan, Hunter, are you guys here? I thought I saw Hunter on here. Yes, that is the main thing we recommend.
Oh, yeah. We'll stream it.
Cage 5-4. That's true, but that's how the break works, Ryan. You know that. So, Ryan, Hunter, there are a couple options. We can either roll for it, or we can consign on it and you guys split the profits. That is definitely what we recommend. So that way, everyone wins. Give it some thought. We'll have to get back to that. Or Sam gets it, and he doesn't make the rules he said. Oh!
There he is.
7 of 25. There he is indeed. Mr. Paul Skeens. As some of us around here like to refer to him as Polythis Skinethis. And by some of us, just me. But my goodness, that's so nice.
Roll that. There you go. You called it.
Good card. That's a good card. Girl Dad, congrats to you, sir. Congrats to you, sir. St. Paul.
Good lucketh comes to those who close.
So much better, Sanders. St. Paul. Oh my gosh, Will. Well, none of us wanted to know that. Not yet. Not yet, Ryan. Ooh. Gosh, that's sexy. Gosh. Felix Hernandez. 3 of 5. Look how pretty that is. On the purple ink. Wow, that's so pretty. Jeez. Gosh, that's nice. Take it.
Yeah.
We'll take it.
Yeah. That's hot.
It's very hot.
This might be the best box.
Sprano. King Felix. Hello, Yukon. Who had that? C. Rodriguez.
Yes. Dude, I see hot hands coming in.
Let me see that hot hands. Let me see that hot hands. I'm so glad I stayed for this. So glad. I'm trying to say better, Jake. In quotes. Woo! John Ho Park. 10 of 25. Hello, Mr. Park. Gosh, that's pretty. Jeez. Gorgeous. Love seeing that. Love seeing that. Gosh, that's pretty. DG? Yep. So DG. So nice.
This is a hot box.
This box is...
Already. No A's quite yet.
Not yet, no.
But we are only halfway, less than halfway. Plenty.
Still so much more fun to go. Ooh, Gary.
Oh,
Gosh dang, look how young he looks right there.
my.
4 of 15 on Mr. Sheffield. I love that auto too. I love that freaking auto. Gosh
That's a
dang,
professional auto right there.
Dude, that is so pretty. Love it. Gary Sheffield, 4 of 15 for the Dodgers. Love seeing that one. We'll take it. DG. D freaking G. The Diamond Icons cards. The rough parts like to catch.
Oh yeah. Very, very sweet. Very sweet.
Oh, easily.
Oh,
DG's like, I'm
Tom
fine.
Owens, Gary Sheffield. Yeah, we're good.
DG's like, I'm good. I'm chilling.
Dodgers won.
Yeah, Kutch. Come on, Kutch. His meanie face. Adley Rutschman, 23 of 25. Love it. Love that. Gosh. Adley Rutschman, 23 of 25. We will gladly accept it. Orioles are one of the last teams, too.
Yep, they said they hit.
Yeah.
I said the Orioles.
Yep.
They're consistent.
They sit, they hit indeed. Huh, James? I think he'll be fine. Sam, I really do. I think Adley will be fine. Honestly, I actually think the Orioles will have a breakout season next year. I think the Orioles, I think, are one of the most talented teams in Major League Baseball. Now, they play for a very good conference. This is number 3. This is from the same case, though, Rob. I do, Sam. I do. Okay. Ooh, little Johan Santana, 1 of 15. Green ink. Hello. Hello, Johan Santana. How are you? ¿Cómo te vas, Johan Santana? Bienvenido. Bienvenido a la fiesta, Johan. Hello, sir. Hello, hello.
Speaking of a professional signature.
Dude, it's so nice. I know.
Maybe the cleanest. That green is sweet.
I know.
Different color ink.
No, I don't think. No, I don't think Mets and Pete Alonso come to a deal. I was gonna say. I thought he said he wasn't returning. It's the miles I put on my body. Gosh. All right. Oh, Kenny freaking Lofton. Wow. Love seeing it. 10 of 10. Kenny freaking Lofton. I love watching him play back in the day, man. That red auto is so nice. Gosh dang, that's sick. That's nice.
Up 10.
Dude, so sick.
Bookend will be nice.
The Braves. Charles had the Braves?
Braves got picked up late.
I think that's Charles. Yes. Yes, girl dad. Okay. Let's get to the book. All right, let's get to the book. You know what? Let's do this. Just for video effect. Posting our videos. Okay, here we go. Good luck to all. Okay, dual player, dual relic book card, 3 of 5. And who do we have? Oh, oh my gosh.
My gosh.
My freaking goodness. Dylan Cruz, James Wood. That said 3 of 5, did it not? Wow. Last Team Magic indeed. Oh my gosh.
Oh my gosh.
3 of 5. Dylan Cruz, James Wood, correct? Yes, 3 of 5. 3 of freaking 5.
If they sit, they hit.
Wow, congratulations, girl dad. Dylan Cruz, James Wood. 3 of 5. I'm clipping that right now. Wow. I'm going to get that in a case, so don't worry. Oh my gosh.
That patch is insane. Yeah.
All right. Here's the redemption. No auto in that one, Rob. That one was no auto.
That was the relic, yeah.
Yeah, that was a relic. One heck of a freaking relic, too. Oh, you will. He'll twerk after this. Me too, Hemi. All right, here we go. Here's our redemption. Good luck to all. You receive single player autograph dual relic of Eli de la Cruz. Eli freaking de la Cruz. You heard me. You heard me. Eli freaking de la Cruz. ¿Qué dice Eli? Eli dice, hola, bienvenido a la fiesta, mis amigos. Me llamo Eli de la Cruz. Eli freaking de la Cruz. So nice. So nice, Luke.
Oh my gosh.
So nice.
Oh my gosh.
Oh my goodness. Thank you, Jarrett. Thank you. I had to bring in a box like that. I had to bring the energy. Bring the action. DG. Hi, DG. Good break to you, sir. Hi, DG. Honestly, though,
That is insane.
what a freaking break.
What? Oh.
Really, what a break.